What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I wanted to show you these new boots I got. They're different than what I normally use. So these are some Wolverines that I've been using for probably about a year and a half. They're pretty dirty, pretty destroyed, but they're great and they're very comfortable. And I'm still going to use these, but my plan is to kind of use these maybe on like dirtier jobs, that kind of thing. These are the Apprentice model. They're not steel toe. They're, like I said, extremely comfortable. You don't even feel like you're wearing boots at all. And so I'm really, really happy with the Wolverines. Like I said, this is my second pair. They're not steel toe, so they're kind of light. And I got no issues with those. Now, I picked these up. These are DeWalt. And these are, here, I'm going to just hold one to kind of show you. So these are steel toe, and they're pretty heavy. The construction looks really nice. I love the detail and like the gold on there. I like how thick that sole is. And it's just like all of them. You know, you're not going to track a bunch of rocks around. I love that. I've already tried them on. These things are pretty dang comfy. And so I wanted to try something just a little different because, well, I was at Big Five actually, not looking for these, but I spotted them and I was like, that seems like a good price. And so they were regularly $90. And they didn't have my size. So I actually went home and I was like, I wonder if there's a deal like I can get on these. And so I went back to Big Five's website, and if you put your email in, you get 10% off. So I got these for $80. And so I think that's a fantastic price for a boot this nice, made by a big brand. You know, they've put some thought into the design, into the materials. And so I'm really excited. I'm going to be using these on what I like to call cleaner jobs. So if I'm like mounting a TV, you know, putting in a fan, switches, electrical, that kind of stuff, where I'm not just like running around in the mud. So I'm excited to give these a shot. I will say this. At first, I did not think that Wolverine made boots in that $80 range. And I was looking today trying to see if they sold either of these models on Amazon, which, by the way, they don't, which I don't know why. But anyway, they do sell a Wolverine for about $78 on Amazon right now. I don't think it's as nice as this, though. It looked to be like a grade below this DeWalt. Most of the Wolverines I have found have been in that like 100 to 130, 140, even 150 range. But again, they are very comfortable. I love my Wolverines. I'm going to keep using my Wolverines, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I am not super brand specific. I like to give things a shot. And so anyway, I'm gonna make this video a little bit shorter, but yeah, check these out, guys. These are looking nice, and for $80, I'm kind of blown away, to be honest with you. So with that being said, I am gonna put some links below in the description. So if you guys want to check out any of the products I use, I do earn commissions through Amazon, so it helps support the channel. Also, like and subscribe. That also helps. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one.